Hi children, this is KTK. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to practice 10 creative questions on class 6 mensuration, area and perimeter related problems. I have posted a part 1 video. I'll give you the link in the description. You can watch that one also. Before starting the class, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm coming with new videos, you can watch all the videos without missing with the notifications. We'll start the class now. How many square meters of glass will be required for windows which has 15 panes, each measuring 16 by 15 centimeter? Your options are given there. So you have a big window which has measures 16 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So it shows that the window is in shape of rectangle. So 16 centimeter can be its length and breadth is 15. How many blocks are there? 15. So we need to find how many glasses are needed. So are we going to find perimeter or area? By reading the question only, you need to identify which one we need to find, whether it's area or perimeter. Here glasses are going to be fixed in the window. Okay, therefore we are talking about area. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle formula we know clearly, L into B. So what we need to find? The given length is 16, breadth is 15. So 15 into 16, just to multiply. What you are getting? 16 into 15, what you are going to get there? Try to do along with me. 5 6 are 30, 3 1 5 are 5 plus 3 8, again 6 1. So how much you are getting? 0. 8 plus 6 14, again 1, then 240. So 240 centimeter square is one block. Okay, but how many we have there? That is panes only, 15. So again this 240 must be multiplied with 15 there. Okay, so I hope you know how we need to multiply this with 15. So 0, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry over, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Again you will have 0, 4, 2 ones are 2. So I hope you got the answer now. 0, 0, 6, 3. Okay, so 3600. What is the unit there? Centimeter square. So your answer is 3600 centimeter square. Now look at the options carefully. To confuse you, they gave everything in terms of 3 and 6 with the different units. Here they gave 0.36, here 360, here 36, here 3600. So to confuse you, they will give this kind of options only. So you must be very careful in multiplications. So your answer for the first question is option D, 3600 centimeter square. Second question, the perimeter of regular nonagon is 513 centimeter. How long is its each side? So this time perimeter is given. The sum is involving nonagon. We know that it has how many sides? 9 sides. Okay, so your options are given like this. Perimeter is given, so 9 times the side, that is 9 times the side is 513. So what is the side length? It's very easy. We are going to just divide it by 9. 513 divided by 9. Okay, you can do the ordinary division, or if you can cancel directly, you can cancel also. Okay, in 51 how many times? 5 times. 5 9s are 45. Just subtract, you will get 6. Bring down this 3. How many times? 7 9s are 63. So your answer for the second question is 57 centimeter. So you should know what shape is given and it has how many sides. Suppose if they gave octagon means 8 sides, or heptagon means 7 sides. So like that you should know the names of all the polygons which has the number of sides there. Okay. Question number 3. The perimeter of rectangle is 200 centimeter and its breadth is 36 centimeter. Find area of rectangle. So given perimeter as well as breadth, we need to find area. Okay, these are the code words. Your options are given like this. So to find the area, we know the formula for area of rectangle. So formula is L into B. Okay, but L is not given in the question, right? How to find L now? Because using the perimeter formula, we are going to find length. So we know perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus B. How much is given? 200. 2 times L plus B is 200. So 2 times L plus B is 200 means what about 1 time? 100 only, no? 2 times some number is 200. So what number? It is 100. In other words, I can say when this 2 is in terms of multiplication on the left side, when it moves to right side, it will be divided. So 200 by 2 is nothing but your 100. Now keep L as it is. B is given. How much? In place of B, substitute 36, which is equal to 100. So L is equal to 100 minus 36. When this plus 36 moves to right side, it will be minus 36. So your L value is 64 centimeter. Okay, so we got both the values now. L value 64 and B value 36. Okay, here I'll give you one clue. No need to multiply the entire number. Okay, just check the unit digit. 4 6 are in multiplication. You will first multiply 4 and 6 only, right? So 4 6 are 24 you will write. So last digit will be 4. You check the options. Here it is 0, here it is 4, here it is 0, here also it is 0. I am checking only the last digit. So by multiplying only the unit digit, I can conclude my answer for the third question is option B, 2304. 2304 will be your answer for that question. We'll move on to question number 4. Find area of square whose perimeter is 96 meter. It's a very interesting question. Your options are given like this. So here, what is perimeter of square now? So this time we are dealing with the shape square. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. So 4 into side is 96. What about one side? How to find one side? 96 divided by 4. Okay, so you can cancel or you can multiply in ordinary method. So 96 divided by 4. 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, bring down the 6, 4 4s are 16. Okay, so side is 24 meter. One side is 24. But in question what they are asking? Area. Okay, so what is formula for area of square? Area of square is side into side. Don't confuse with the formulas. Perimeter formula is 4 into S. Area formula is S into S. That is multiplying the side by the same side. So 24 into 24. 24 into 24. What is 24 into 24? Just to multiply what they are getting. Our answer will be 576 meter square. Okay, answer for question number 4 is option B, 576 meter square. Next question. If area of square is 144 square centimeter and its perimeter is the same as perimeter of equilateral triangle, what is the length of each side of the triangle? It's a very interesting question because we are comparing two shapes. One is square and we are comparing square with what? Triangle. We are comparing square with triangle. So your options are given like this: 12, 16, 8 and 14. First, what we need to find? Area of square is given. Okay, try to understand. Area of square is given. So area is how much? 144. So we know the formula for area of square. What is the formula? S into S. S into S is 144. So what number will be multiplied by itself to give 144? So it's a logical question you should think, because when we are multiplying 12 into 12, you will be getting 144. Okay, so 12 multiply with the 12 will give you 144. Therefore your side will be 12. 12 12s are 144. Okay, so when area is given, you should know how to find the side there. The number which is multiplied by itself will give you 144. 12 12s are 144. Therefore the side will be 12. Next, its perimeter is same as perimeter of equilateral triangle. So for this square, find perimeter. Okay, find perimeter. What is formula for perimeter? 4 into S. So 4 into 12, which is equal to what? 48 centimeter. 48 centimeter. Just imagine I am drawing roughly there. A square is there. In that square, the total length of boundary is 48 centimeter. Again, you will have a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? All the sides are equal. For this also, okay, in question what they are giving, the clue is perimeter of square and perimeter of equilateral triangle are equal. So for square perimeter 48 means this triangle perimeter also 48 only. Then what will be the length of each side? What will be the length of each side? When you are adding three numbers, you are getting 48. All the three numbers are equal. Okay, so 3 times s is equal to 48. I hope you understand. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle. When you are adding three equal numbers, your answer is 48. So what number you are getting? So 3 times what number is 48? Just divide what you are getting here. Yes, I hope you got the answer. It is 16. So when you have a equilateral triangle of each side is 16, your sum will be 48 centimeter. Therefore, the answer for question number 5 is 16 centimeter. So comparing with the previous sums, the process of solving this sum is little bit lengthy because we are comparing two shapes, square with the triangle. From area, we are finding side. From side, we are finding perimeter, and then using the perimeter of square we are finding perimeter of triangle. So these kind of questions only will be there in your competitive Olympiad exams. Okay, you should know how to apply the formulas carefully and solving correctly. Clear? We'll move on to the next question now. Next question: what is the length of rectangle with the area 7 square meter and breadth 2.5 meter? So area is given, breadth is given. It's a very simple question only, because area is directly given there. What is area? 7 meter square. Okay, we know that L into B is equal to 7. Okay, this is what they gave. L is, we need to find, B is 2.5, which is equal to 7. So L is equal to what? 7 divided by 2.5. 7 divided by 2.5. I'll give you one shortcut method how to find this. So 7 divided by 2.5, I can write this in terms of fractions. How to write? 25 by 10, right? 25 by 10. So this 25 divided by 10 you can write. Now 7 by 25, this 10 when moves to numerator, it will be what? Multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10. Now you can cancel the numbers. You can cancel the numbers. So how to cancel the number? You can multiply here. 2 5s are here. 7 5s are. So 7 2s are 14 divided by 5. So 14 divided by 5 you can do. How many times will come here? 2 5s are 10, remaining 4. We can extend for decimals because your options are containing decimals also. So keep a decimal point, add 1 0. How many times? 8 5s are 40. Your answer is 2.8 meter. Okay, so 7 divided by 2.5. Do carefully, I am representing that decimal in terms of fraction. So when you have a denominator, further denominator, it will move to numerator. You should know this concept. When you have a denominator, further denominator, this will move to numerator. So 7 by 25 into 10 will come. After cancellation, I am doing the division, extending with the decimals. So your answer for sixth question is 2.8 meter. If you want to check your answer, whether you have done correctly or not, just multiply L into B. So that is 2.8 into 2.5. Check whether you are getting 7 or not. Okay, this is how you can verify your answers. We'll go to next question. Seventh one. The perimeter of triangle is 115 centimeter if two sides are 35 and 37. It's a very simple question only. Your options are given here. You have a triangle. Okay, you have a triangle. It's look like equilateral, but it's not equilateral. Two sides are given, 35 and 37. Third side we need to find, but when you are adding all this, your perimeter is how much given? 115. Okay, so I can write like this, right? A plus B plus C. So I'm just representing using small alphabets. You have 35 one side, another side 37, and that side we don't know, so keep it as it is, 115. So what you are getting here, add these two. 72 plus C is equal to 115. So how to find the C now? Just subtract, that is total minus these two, you will get this one. Okay, if you want you can follow this step, or directly also you can subtract like this, you will get the same answer only. Okay, so minus 72. So what they are getting here, 115 minus 72. Subtract carefully, 115 minus 72. So 5 minus 2, 3. Here 1 we can't subtract, so just borrow 11. 11 minus 7, 43. So for 7th question also, option A is your answer, 43 centimeter. Okay, and one more thing, when you are giving these kind of questions, they may change the units. For example, option A is 43 centimeter. Okay, if they are giving like this, 43 meter is your option C, means you should not choose 43. So check the number as well as the units. Clear? Sometimes they may give 43 centimeter as well as 43 meter in your options. You should not confuse. Choose the correct units which they are giving in the question containing centimeter, means answers also must be in centimeter only. Okay, we'll go to next question. A triangular garden needs to be fenced. So I have already told you, fencing means what? Perimeter. Fencing means perimeter. If the length of sides of garden are 233 meter, 225 meter, 342 meter, find the cost of fencing it at the rate of 35 per meter square. It's a very direct question only, because three sides are given. What garden they gave? Triangular garden. Clear? They gave triangular garden. Just I'm drawing just rough diagram. 233 and 225 and 342. Okay, just they are going to fence this one. Fence means what? Like a compound. So we need to add all these, then multiply with the amount. Multiply with the amount. So find the perimeter now. Add all these. What you are getting? 233 plus 225 plus 342. Okay, here I can use, you just can add by yourself, 225 and 342. Sides are given, you are finding the perimeter. Okay, add all this carefully. 5 to 10, remaining 1, then again 10 only, remaining 1, 3, 5, 8. So we are getting 800. So your perimeter is 800 meter. Okay, now for 1 meter, how much they are spending to fence the land? For 1 meter they are spending 35 rupees. 1 meter 35 rupees means, what about 800 meter? This is what they are asking. So 800 into 35. Okay, to multiply this, we can multiply only the numbers. Later we will write those two zeros. 5 8s are 40, remaining 4. 8 3s are 24, 28. Okay, we forgot to write these two zeros, right? So add here. So your answer is rupees 28,000. Option B. Okay, again saying this multiplication I am using shortcut method. When you have a number ending with zeros, you don't need to multiply fully. So leave the zeros, multiply only the numbers 8 into 35. Later you can write those two zeros. Don't forget. So answer for question number 8 is option B, 28,000. Question number 9. The cost of making fence around a square field is rupees 1976 at the rate of 26. So this time they gave in reverse. Okay, amount is given to you. Clear? That is total amount is given to you. From total amount we should find individual amount. Okay, individual amount means what? For 1 meter, that is, look carefully, for 26 meter, for 26 meter they are spending 1976. Then what about for 1 meter? How to find? For 26 meter 1976 means, for 1 meter you should divide. Okay, you should divide. I'll explain you why we are dividing. I'll do some other example here. If a 5 pen, okay, 5 pen is 20 rupees. 5 pen is 20 rupees. What about 1 pen? What about 1 pen? You can divide this, right? 1 pen is 4 rupees. So this concept only I am applying here. 26 meter they are spending 1976 means 1 meter how much? So we are dividing. Okay, try to cancel this. Just to try to cancel in 2 table I can cancel, right? This is 13 times. Here what you are getting, 9 2s are 18, remaining 1. Again here what you are getting, 8 2s are 16, remaining 1. Again 8 2s are 16. So again I can cancel, that is 988 divided by 13. We should know 13 table. In 13, 98. How many times will be there? 7 times. That is 7 13s are 91. 7 13s are 91. Remaining you will have 7. 6 13s are 78. Okay. If you don't understand this, I will do with ordinary divide method. That is 988 divide by 13. Okay, here you will have 7 13s are 91. So you will have 7, bring down this 8, you will have 6 13s are 78. Okay, now 76 meter is your perimeter. Can you understand? For 26 per meter, that is the amount they have spent. 26, this is nothing but what? 26 per meter. For 26 per meter they have spent 1976. Therefore your perimeter is 76 meter. The question is what? Find each side. Okay, how to find side now? How to find side now? It's very simple one. 76 divided by 4. Why we are dividing by 4? Because the question is based upon square. When you are adding 4 sides you are getting 76. What about for one side? So 76 divided by 4. Your answer is 19 meter. Your answer is 19 meter. You can check 76 divided by 4 you can do, or you can cancel here. One time remaining you will have 3. So 19. Okay, so 19 meter is your answer for 9th question. We go for 10th question now. The cost of fencing a rectangular field at rupees 8.50 per meter is 850. This question also exactly same as the previous one, but the previous question is square, this question is rectangle. Here also they gave length, we need to find breadth. Okay, again fencing only. Your options are given like that. So we have known that just now we have learned, just subtract the total amount divided by individual amount. Okay, that is how we are going to subtract. 850 total amount divided by individual amount. How much they are spending for each meter? 8.50. We have done a previous question in the same method. I can write 850 by this 8.50. How I can write? 850 by 100. 850 by 100. That is the conversion of decimal into fraction. How to write this in terms of fraction? 850 divided by 100 we can convert. Why we are writing 100 in the denominator? Because you have point after 2 number. So this is how we can convert the decimal into fraction. Now already I told you, if you have a denominator, further denominator means it will move to numerator. So 850 divided by 850 into 100 into 100. Therefore these two will be cancelled. So your perimeter is 100 now. Your perimeter is 100. Okay, it's a very simple one. Your perimeter is 100. From this we can find what? Breadth we can find. So 2 times L plus B is 100. 2 times L plus B is 100. Then what about L plus B? 2 times some number is 100 means L plus B is 50. Okay, now substitute the value of length. Length how much is given in the question? 32. So 32 plus B is equal to 50. So your answer is 50 minus 32, 18. So your answer for the last question is 18 meter, option A. So with this we'll wind up, children. We'll come up with more questions in our upcoming videos. Already I have posted one part in our channel. I'll give you the link in the description. You can watch out that one also. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting to our channel by subscribing it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubt, post it in the comment box. I will reply. Thank you. Bye bye.